Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the 7 key differences between cappuccino and latte. First and foremost, the ratio of espresso to milk in a cappuccino is equal, while in a latte, there is more milk than espresso. The froth in a cappuccino is dry and stiff, while in a latte, it is creamy and velvety. Cappuccinos are typically served in smaller cups, while lattes are served in larger cups. When it comes to the taste, cappuccinos tend to have a bolder and stronger coffee flavor, whereas lattes have a milder taste. Cappuccinos are topped with a sprinkle of cocoa or cinnamon, while lattes are often garnished with latte art, such as hearts or rosettas. In terms of texture, cappuccinos have a distinct layering of espresso, milk, and foam, while lattes have a more homogeneous mixture. Cappuccinos are known to have a thicker consistency due to the higher ratio of foam, while lattes have a lighter and smoother texture. Cappuccinos are traditionally enjoyed in the morning, as they are seen as a more energizing drink, while lattes are popular throughout the day. Please note that these differences may vary depending on the cafe or region you are in. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.